Hello children, now we are going to discuss the last topic of the chapter, linear equations in two variable, that is equations of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis from your NCERT book. We have already studied the coordinate geometry and the coordinates of a point. You know that what is the coordinate of this point origin? This is origin, and what is its coordinate? Its coordinate is 0, 0. Okay? Then what is the coordinate of this 1? You know that the value of x is equal to 1. And what is the value of y? The value of y is 0. And what is the coordinate of this point? 2, 0. And what is the coordinate of this point? Minus 1, 0. What is the coordinate of this point? Minus 2, 0. And so on. So what do you see? You see that along the x-axis, everywhere, the coordinate of y is 0. The coordinate of y is constant. So we can write the equation of x-axis as y equal to 0. So the equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Now let us consider the y-axis. What is the coordinate of this point? 1. Here the value of y is 1. Y ka value 1 hai. And what is the value of x? The value of x is 0. And what is the coordinate of this point? The value of y is 2. The value of x is 0. So 0, 2. And here it is 0, 3. Here 0, minus 1. Here 0, minus 2. So what do you see? You see that everywhere in the y-axis, the value of x is 0. So we can write the equation of y-axis as x is equal to 0. So the equation of x-axis is y equal to 0, and the equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Now, if I draw a line parallel to the y-axis, along the point 3, you see that here, what is the coordinate of this point? 3, 0. And what will be the coordinate of this point? That is 3, 1. 3, 1. And what will be the coordinate of this point? 3, 2. And so on. Here it will be 3, minus 1, etc. So what is constant in this graph? In this graph, it is constant that x is equal to 3. So this graph is the equation of this graph is x is equal to 3. So a line or a graph which is parallel to the y-axis, then the equation of the graph is x is equal to 3 because it is 3 units perpendicularly away from the y-axis. So the graphs which are parallel to the y-axis, which point of the x-axis to pass, then the equation of the graph will be x is equal to that point, and x is equal to 3. If it is through minus 2, then x is equal to minus 2. If it is through minus 4, then x is equal to minus 4, and so on. So the equations parallel to the y-axis will be x is equal to a in general, where a is any real number. On the same way, suppose you draw a graph like this passing through y, then what will be the equation of this? What is constant? Here the value of y is constant. So the coordinate of this point will be 1, 4. And this will be 2, 4. And this will be minus 1, 4, etc. And what do you see here? The value of x remains same. So, value of y remains same. So the equation is y equal to 4. Y equal to 4. So all the graphs which are parallel to the x-axis will be y equal to something, and the graphs which are parallel to the y-axis will be x is equal to something. Parallel to x-axis, y equal to something, because the equation of the x-axis itself is y equal to 0. So y equal to 1, then it will be passing through 1. Y equal to 2, it will be passing through 2, and so on. Then the equation of x-axis is x is equal to 0. So the equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. So all the graphs which are parallel to the y-axis will be x is equal to something. Now let us take another situation, that is x is equal to minus 2, x minus 2 is equal to 0. x minus 2 equal to 0, that is x is equal to 2. So x equal to minus 2 is a linear equation, one variable. The solution of that equation is x is equal to 2, and this is the algebraical solution. Now this, if you have to represent it geometrically, then we draw the x-axis and mark the point 2 on it. So this is the equation of the line, solution of the equation x minus 2 equal to 0. This is algebraically and this is geometrically, that is in one variable. Suppose you want to represent it in two variable. As a linear equation, two variable, how will you represent? X plus 0y minus 2 equal to 0. You give any value of y. 0 into anything is 0. So the equation becomes x minus 2 equal to 0, then x is equal to 2. How we will represent that? As a linear equation, two variable, x equal to 2. I have already told that this is x equal to 3. Then x equal to 2 will be a graph parallel to the y-axis and passing through the point 2 of x-axis. So this is x equal to 2 as a linear equation, two variable. So the solution of this equation as a linear equation in one variable, geometrical representation like this, and as a linear equation two variable, it is like this, x is equal to 2. This is a solution. Now let us discuss an example. Example 9 of your NCERT book. Solve 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3. You know how to solve it by the method of transposition. So if you transpose x to this side, then 2x minus x is equal to, and 1 you transfer to this side, then minus 3 minus 1, that is x is equal to minus 4. So x equal to minus 4 is the algebraical solution of this. Now if you represent the solution on the number line, as a solution in one variable, then what we draw? We draw x-axis and we plot x is equal to minus 4 here. 0, minus 4. Now if you represent this in the Cartesian plane, that is in the coordinate system in two variables, this equation, how it will become? X plus 0y plus 4 equal to 0. So we can have any value of y because the coefficient of y is 0. So you give any value of y, then x equal to minus 4. X equal to minus 4 is the solution graph, and x equal to minus 4, the value of y goes on changing, but the value of x remains same. So x equal to minus 4. This graph is the solution of this equation as a linear equation in two variable. I think you have understood the topic. This chapter is over, and in the NCERT exercise there are two questions. You try to do it. Thank you.